RFS Fire and Building Compliance is primarily a fire and compliance company. We also do fire extinguishers, hose reels, security systems as well. My background, I've spent 17 years with the fire service, and then I left the fire service and went into the fire protection industry. So in total I've had 37 years in the fire protection industry, and I've worked my way up through the industry to become an independently qualified person, which is the IQP, who signs off specified systems within buildings to certify that they're compliant.
So I'm a project manager for Bartley Group Holdings. They are the holding company. We purchased Richdale Fire and Security and rebranded as RFS Fire and Building Compliance on the 1st of March. So my role was to basically transition that from the existing company and then bring it across, set it up going forward, and then have it running hopefully as a successful business.
February of this year I got approached by Simpro to talk to Bartley Group regarding the product. Had a chat with Bartley Group and then came down in May of this year to do some consulting work with them, and then as a result of that I was offered a position as General Manager. We've got 3 admin staff, 1 full-time and 2 part-time staff working in the office, plus myself, and then we've also got 5 technicians out on the road doing a range of things from monthly maintenance and inspections to annual inspections. Going forward, our aim is to take on extra business within the region, looking at Palmerston North, South Taranaki areas, and instead of being reactive, as per the industry has been, to be a proactive company. My first introduction to Simpro was back in 2010. We could run our stock, we could run our compliance business through it, we could invoice through it. So it's basically a one-stop software product. And as far as the compliance industry, it had everything we needed for auditing purposes. If we were audited, we had all the records available at the push of a button.
It had good help, had good support. The people that I spoke to, they gave me some references. They all had very good experiences with it. One of the things we do like is that it's cloud-based. Reduces a lot of our costs from that perspective. It's easy to use, it provides reporting, look at what we need from the group's perspective is what we need to understand out of the business, can we get that information? Like the mobile connect is great. They can go out in the field, they can put it into the tablet, it comes into the office, the admin guys can deal with it. The piece of paper goes away.
And as an IQP, you've got something there backing you up and backing your signature up to say, yes, we have carried out this inspection. This is the technician that did it. This is the IQP that did the inspection, and everything was fine. And we have got a full asset register as well to say that, yes, these are all the things we've inspected. Training is a key in this industry. If we don't keep the guys and ourselves up to date with what's happening with technology and changes in the industry, plus with the building codes, building acts, they keep changing, then there's no point being in the industry. And that's the same with software and anything else we use. We need to keep up with what's happening.
We got Tim to come down and he just spent a couple of days showing everybody what it could do, it's not just the yes it can invoice, it's the little quirky things like it's quicker to do it this way and here's the shortcuts and did you know it could do this and this is what this menu option does. So that was really valuable and I've always found the support great. You ring them either in Auckland or their customer service staff and they're really good right from get-go.
Life isn't all about work. I've had a few health issues in the past, and I've come to realise that more and more, that I have worked 60, 80 hours a week in the past working for businesses. I find that Simpro gives me the peace of mind that as the independently qualified person, when I'm signing things off, I don't have to worry that when we're audited or anything happens, that we've got the information there.